Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change PayPal username. So go ahead and log on into your PayPal, and when you get to this page you're going to go over to the top right area where you have the settings icon. Click on it, and on this page you're going to look at the left section where you have profile, and here you can see your name and you're going to click on change name. Click on it and it's going to take you to this page where you can change your name. Here it says enter the name that's on your government issued ID. So this is important because maybe when you were opening your PayPal, you didn't use your government issue ID, and this might affect your PayPal account authentication. So go ahead and replace it with the government issued ID name in the first and the last name and click on continue to complete the process. Also take note that you may need to upload additional documents to verify your new name. So if you had a change of name recently, you'll need to have a document to support that fact. If you found this video helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.